Hi guys, I got my order in from Natasha at Journey of Crafting. If you're not following Journey of Crafting and you're looking for excellent tutorials and also excellent sales, go give her a follow. Oh, this is my boho stuff. Not boho, this is, I think Sari Silk was what she was selling. But it's going to go in my boho journal I'm going to make, believe it or not. This is beautiful. I really like this. Ooh, pretty. And guys, you know, when you're in a sale, if you see something and you think it looks beautiful, buy it, because nothing looks the same on camera. Check this bad boy out. It's gorgeous. Very gorgeous. Wow, I love this one. So, there's a pack. I forgot I ordered this. Here's another one. Oh, I love this blues. And I'm seriously considering trying to make a quilt out of this, or some bags, because I really love this fabric. I may make some bags, so, you know, like little purses. Very pretty. And you get a lot, and it wasn't a whole lot of money either. I can't even remember how much she charged for them now per pack, but it wasn't a whole lot. Here we go. Wow, it's so pretty. Very pretty. Oh, wow, I love this. Look at this. Gorgeous fabrics. Yeah, this is going to look good in the journal. Or whatever I decide to make with it. I may do some kits for, yeah, I think I am. I think I would do some kits to make up some boho wall hangings. And these would be perfect size. Using the hoops. Yeah, these are beautiful. Oh, look at this piece. I know, a lot of people will like this. Isn't it gorgeous? Wow. Love that. And I love this one. So I have one more. I thought this was my bead order, but I guess not. Well, I know not. It's fabric. Okay. Wow. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Oh my goodness, I love it. I don't know, the more I'm looking at this, the more I'm thinking of a quilt top. Oh, look at this one. Isn't it beautiful? Whoa. Isn't it gorgeous? I just found a place here in town that does a Sunday market, and it's all Indian vendors, and they are say they're selling at charity prices. So I'm going to check it out this Sunday. Maybe if they allow it, I will do a video from there. And if I can get any good buys, you know, of course I will do my best to share as much of it as I can get. So check out Journey of Crafting. You won't be sorry. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.